Hi, welcome to the Design and Technology Center. My name is Lindsay Teobasi, Managing Director for the Center. Today we are going to look at the pyrolysis system for waste management and how it works. First, we have the system where we open up the lid and we fill it up, open up the lid and fill it up with waste plastics. We have 7 kilos in total, 5 kilo of single-use plastics, and then we have 2 kilo of PET bottles or polyethylene terephthalate bottles, the Schweppes or Zeba or whatever drink bottles. Then we fire it up in the oven here. We have a firebox where we use wood to heat it up. Normally the choice of wood is important. Locally we use Vasa, which is fibrous and it is good and maintains the heat. So the choice of wood is very important. Then we move over to look at the parts, the components of this system. First, we have this retort or the oven where we heat it up to approximately up to 200 degrees Celsius, where it starts to crack. And so the maintenance of looking after the heat every 5 minutes is very important. And we use this gauge here to make sure that we have the flame and the heat that is maintained constantly every 5 minutes. After that, the heat comes through the condenser where this one here, it's pitched horizontal, but normally to have the different quality of gas, you can pitch it higher or even upright so that you have improvement onto the gas quality that we have in here. After that, we move on here and look at the water system, which is the cooling system. This is gravity fed, and as you open that, when you hit a certain temperature on your gauge, then you can start revving the water to come through the condenser, and it comes out into this tank which stores the crude oil. Okay, this is separated. The crude oil stays in the pot, and the gas continue to run through this pipe into the next one, which is the gas accumulator. This gas accumulator is not a storage system, no. This is used mainly to maintain the pressure of the gas, and also you can have 2 hours of gas. Now in here we have the water level which is raised up using the compressor so that we compress that and it overflows. After that we release it and it settles down at about mid-center, 500 liter. This is a 1,000 liter container, and we normally pressurize it so that when we release the pressure, it falls back into the center here, about 500, as I said, 500 liters, so that it's more equilibrium or it's more balanced. The amount of pressure against the liquid is more balanced. In here we have 2 blue drums where we connected in series, where the gas comes through and it runs out from here to your burners here. So basically the burners are up to you what type you want to use, but at this stage we're using this very simple gas burner for heating. Okay, this concludes the rundown of this pyrolysis system, how it works, and also the components of the system. Thank you very much.